Hi Eric. So in this issue, I'm able to process the payment through API even if the integration is disabled. So now, in my case, I have disabled the integration for Stripe and also for the authorized.net. So there is no currently active integration. Earlier there was Stripe, then authorized.net, and now I'm disabled completely. So if I use if I use the credentials or the processing method and the profile from the existing payment that had been created and process the payment, it will get created. Yeah, so you can see the payment is getting created with the Stripe payment profile and method. It is not, I mean, if I provide the details of authorized.net, then it is giving me an error that payment method doesn't exist. That is expected, but I can process it with the Stripe details, payment details. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.